Smart CV, Resume Maker AI has just been released, and if you're looking to streamline your job application process, this might be the software you've been waiting for. In this review, we'll dive into 7 crucial things you need to know before you decide to use this AI tool to create your next professional resume. By the end, you'll know exactly how this software works and whether it's worth trying. Stick around because I've got some tips on getting the best results with Smart CV, Resume Maker AI. First things first, Smart CV, Resume Maker AI is built to take your resume from basic to professional with minimal effort. You start by answering a few simple questions, and from there, the AI generates a customized, polished resume based on your job experience and career goals. The whole process takes minutes. Whether you're an entry-level job seeker or a seasoned professional, this tool adapts to your needs. What sets Smart CV apart from other resume building tools is its unique use of artificial intelligence. Unlike templates that force you to fit your details into a predetermined structure, this AI analyzes your data and adapts the layout to match the specific job you're targeting. It's like having a personal career coach by your side, guiding you through every step of the resume building process. One of the most important features of Smart CV, Resume Maker AI, is its industry-specific resume recommendations. The AI looks at trends in different fields and tailors your resume to help you stand out to recruiters in your chosen industry. So if you're applying for a tech role, for example, it will highlight your technical skills in the most impactful way. This helps ensure your resume is not only professional, but also optimized for the job market you're in. Another feature worth mentioning is the ease of customization. Smart CV makes it incredibly simple to tweak the generated resume. You can easily modify text, swap out sections, or adjust formatting to better align with your personal style. This means you can personalize your resume without losing the polished feel that the AI gives it. Smart CV also includes a feature to optimize your resume for applicant tracking systems, ATS. These systems are used by many companies to filter resumes before they ever make it to human eyes. With Smart CV, you can ensure that your resume is formatted in a way that passes ATS filters, which increases your chances of landing an interview. The software comes with a free trial, and you can get started by clicking the link below. That's right, if you want to try Smart CV for yourself, you can explore its features at no cost. I'll go into more detail on that in a moment, but first, let's talk about the user interface. One thing I really appreciate about Smart CV is how intuitive the platform is. Even if you've never used an AI tool before, navigating the site and creating your resume is straightforward and stress-free. You don't need to be tech-savvy to use it, making it a great option for anyone looking to save time and effort. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. The biggest pro is the time-saving aspect. It takes minutes to generate a solid resume, which is a huge plus when you're applying for multiple jobs. The customization features are also a standout, allowing you to create a truly personalized document without the hassle of starting from scratch. On the flip side, some users might find the free version a bit limited in terms of advanced features like cover letter creation and additional resume templates. That said, the free trial still offers a great starting point to see if it fits your needs. As for the AI's accuracy, it's impressive. The results are sharp, and the software does a fantastic job of analyzing your input and presenting you with a resume that looks polished and professional. It even provides tips on how to improve your resume, which can be a game changer if you're new to crafting resumes or want to refine your approach. Lastly, I've tried thousands of AI tools in my time, and Smart CV, Resume Maker AI, is certainly one of the best when it comes to resume building. If you're serious about standing out to recruiters, I'd recommend giving it a go. As I mentioned earlier, you can try Smart CV completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. After you've given it a try, I've also listed some of my other recommended AI tools for career-related tasks in the description. I hope this review helps you decide whether Smart CV is the right fit for your resume building needs. Thanks for watching.